Hello everybody, I'm the Lego Hero here, and today we're going to be talking about Bionicle movies. I feel like a good way to start off this would be with Bionicle 1. Bionicle 1. Where should I put this? So anyway, the movie is about these two little guys, normal touring guys, seeking for the 7th terror. You know what Bionicle is, you obviously watched this movie, but I'll probably say it's in a good A tier. Or Bionicle 2, Bionicle 2. It's a really short movie, and it's like, I can't help but to put it in A or B. I think for its shortness it goes in B. Stuff happens a little fast. Now we're on Bionicle 3. Bionicle 3. Because the timeline on it is confusing, because you gotta watch the second movie, but as soon as there's a quarter left on the second movie, you gotta watch the third movie, which makes the timeline confusing. Of course I didn't do that, but because at the end of Bionicle 2, I'm not spoiling it, because, well, if you ain't watched it, but I'd probably put it in B tier, maybe C, B, C, B. Maybe I've got to make a new tier. I'll make a new tier. So it's between C and between E at the same time. I'll call it no, not Bionicle Pound, Bionicle 3. But anyways, where should Bionicle 3 go? Where should Bionicle 3 go? Bionicle 3, of course. Now, Bionicle, the Legendary Born. Now you see, what I like about this movie is that you don't need to watch the other three to understand the story of it. And it's like, because usually, if I was to get Bionicle 2 first, I wouldn't understand the story when it comes to Bionicle 1. Or if I was to get Bionicle 3, I wouldn't understand the story of Bionicle 2. Which is, well, not just that, it's my favourite one of them all. I'd probably say it's a rather good tier list. Well, that's all I have to say for today. I've been the Lego Maniac signing off.